Do you want to uncover the secret markets that few people know about, where affiliate marketers are making thousands of dollars effortlessly? Stay tuned because I'm about to reveal the hidden strategies that can skyrocket your income overnight. The cornerstone of any successful affiliate marketing strategy is understanding keyword research. This is where tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Google Keyword Planner come into play. These powerful platforms can help you uncover high-value keywords that your audience is actively searching for. So how do you get started? First, let's talk about Ahrefs. It's a comprehensive tool that allows you to explore search volumes, analyze your competitors, and find long-tail keywords that are less competitive but highly targeted. Simply input your niche-related keywords and let Ahrefs generate a wealth of data. You can see how often these keywords are searched for and the level of competition you'll face. Next up, SEMrush. Similar to Ahrefs, SEMrush offers robust keyword research capabilities. What makes SEMrush unique is its ability to provide you with keyword difficulty scores, showing you how hard it would be to rank for each term. Additionally, SEMrush can help you discover keyword variations and related searches, opening up more opportunities for you to target and attract your ideal audience. Don't forget about Google Keyword Planner. This free tool is particularly useful for those who are just starting out. It's designed to give you a solid understanding of the search volume and competition for keywords directly from Google's search engine. By using Google Keyword Planner, you can see estimated bids for keywords, which can help you prioritize which keywords to focus on. Finally, it's essential to analyze the search volumes and competition levels for the keywords you find. High search volume indicates a popular keyword, but it often comes with high competition. Balancing this data can point you to niche keywords that have enough searches to drive traffic, but are not too competitive to rank for. Remember, mastering keyword research is all about finding that sweet spot where search volume meets manageable competition. Have you tried any of these tools for your keyword research? What challenges have you faced? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit DigMarketing101.com now for your free access and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. Evaluating the availability and quality of affiliate programs within your potential niches is crucial for your success in affiliate marketing. Start by looking at the commission rates offered by different programs. High commission rates might seem appealing at first, but it's essential to balance this with a product's market demand. A high commission won't mean much if the product doesn't sell well. Another factor to consider is the program's cookie duration. The longer the cookie duration, the more time you have to earn a commission if a customer makes a purchase. For example, a 30-day cookie is generally more beneficial than a 7-day cookie. Look into the reputation of the affiliate program and the products or services they offer. Check out reviews and ratings to see what other affiliates are saying. Are they satisfied with the support and tools provided? Is the affiliate dashboard user-friendly? In addition to these factors, consider the market demand for the product or service you plan to promote. Use tools like Google Trends to gauge interest over time. High demand combined with a reputable affiliate program and a solid commission rate can create a winning combination. Have you found any affiliate programs that meet these criteria in your niche? Testing and validating your niche before going all in can save you time, money, and effort. One great strategy is to start by creating a small amount of content related to your chosen niche. This could be blog posts, videos, or social media content. Pay attention to how your audience engages with this content. Are they liking, sharing, and commenting? Your audience's response can give you vital clues about the niche's potential. Another effective method is to run a few low-budget ads targeting your niche. You can use platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to drive traffic to your content or a dedicated landing page. Track the click-through rates and conversions to measure interest and demand. Remember, it's not just about the number of clicks, but also the quality of the engagement. Engaging with niche-specific communities can also offer valuable insights. Join forums, social media groups, or attend virtual meetups related to your niche. Contributing to discussions and observing what topics are trending can help you gauge actual interest levels. Moreover, these interactions can provide you with direct feedback and new ideas. By using these strategies, you'll have a better understanding of whether your chosen niche has real demand and potential profitability. So, which strategy are you excited to try first in evaluating your niche? Let me know in the comments.